How to quit smoking. Set a quit date. Choose a specific day to quit smoking. Identify triggers. Recognize situations or emotions that make you want to smoke. Create a quit plan. Develop strategies to cope with triggers and cravings. Find alternatives. Replace smoking with healthier habits like exercise or deep breathing. Seek support. Tell friends and family about your quit attempt and consider joining a support group. Stay busy. Engage in activities that keep your mind off smoking. Practice self-care. Prioritize sleep, nutrition, and stress management. Stay positive. Focus on progress and reward yourself for milestones. Seek professional help if needed. Consult healthcare providers or counselors for additional support. Thank you for watching.